In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the visual style of your Sellfy store by selecting and applying a new theme. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible, so you can have your store looking sleek and attractive in no time. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Sellfy dashboard. This is your home base, where you manage all aspects of your online store, from inventory to customer support. Once you're in, head over to the store settings. You'll find this option readily available on your dashboard, and it's the gateway to customizing the overall appearance and functionality of your store. Once you click on Store Settings, look for the Customize Store option. Click it, and this will open up the Store Customizer. This tool is incredibly powerful and user-friendly, providing you with the ability to make visual changes to your store with ease. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar that will be your navigation panel for customizing various elements. Now, direct your attention to the Store Style section in that sidebar. Clicking on this will allow you to delve deeper into the design options Sellfy offers. To choose a new theme for your store, click on Browse Themes. This will showcase a variety of theme options that you can select to give your store a fresh, engaging look. When you find a theme that piques your interest, hover your cursor over it. You're given a couple of nifty options here. If you'd like a sneak peek at how the theme will look once it's applied to your store, click on the eye icon. This preview feature is immensely useful, as it helps you visualize the end result without any commitment. If you like what you see, you can move forward by clicking on the checkmark icon to apply that theme. By doing this, you've selected this theme as your new preferred style. But hold on, we're not done just yet. To really put the finishing touch on your store's new appearance, you must click Apply Theme. This confirms your choice, signaling that you're ready to proceed with your selected design. After applying the theme, one final step remains to ensure that your new style goes live for all to see. In the Customizer, you'll need to click the Publish button. This essential step officially updates the theme on your live store, allowing customers to enjoy the fresh, new look you've chosen. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully revamped your Sellfy store with a beautiful new theme. Keep in mind, a great-looking store not only enhances your brand's image, but also creates a more inviting experience for your customers. Remember, you can always revisit these steps whenever you feel like switching things up again. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps elevate your online store.